Are you tired of the same old phones? Do you want DSLR quality photos from your pocket? A battery that lasts for days? Forget everything you think you know about smartphones, because Nokia is not just coming back, it's coming back as an absolute beast. We're talking about a phone that, according to leaks, will outperform even the latest iPhones and Samsungs. This is the Nokia Lumia Max 5G, and if these specs are real, you need to see them. In today's video, we're diving into the insane features, the price, and the launch date. So let's start. Features of the Nokia Lumia Max 5G. The display. Let's start with what you'll be staring at. The Nokia Lumia Max 5G is rumored to flaunt a stunning 6.86-inch OLED display. But here's the kicker, it's got a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. That's not just fast, that's esports level speed. Multitasking, gaming, everything will look incredibly fluid. Plus, you get Corning Gorilla Glass 6 for toughness, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and HDR10+ support. Get ready for an immersive viewing experience that's truly next level. Camera setup. Now, for the main event, the part that will have Apple and Samsung engineers sweating. The camera setup. Nokia is allegedly packing a quad camera system, led by a jaw-dropping, industry-defining 200-megapixel primary sensor with OIS. Let me say that again, 200 megapixels. This is DSLR territory, but in your pocket. And it doesn't stop there. A massive 100-megapixel ultra-wide lens for those epic landscapes. A 48-megapixel macro lens to get right up close and personal. And a 10-megapixel wide-angle lens to round it out. And for the selfie kings and queens, a ridiculous 100-megapixel front camera. Performance. What's powering this monster? Under the hood, the Nokia Lumia Max 5G is rumored to run the very latest Android 16 OS, and it's fueled by the insanely fast Snapdragon 8 Elite octa-core processor. This isn't just a phone, it's a pocket powerhouse. Whether you're running the most demanding games, multitasking like a pro, or doing some heavy-duty video editing, this phone simply will not break a sweat. Monster battery. Are you worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia Lumia Max 5G is expected to house a staggering 7880 mAh battery. That's twice the size of many modern flagships. And when you finally do need a charge, it's supported by a blistering 125-watt super-fast charging system. Charging anxiety is officially over. Price and launch. The Nokia Lumia Max 5G is rumored to be priced incredibly competitively, at around just $790. And the best part, rumors suggest this beast could hit the market in just a few months. Get your wallets ready.